don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the international friendly Bafana 0, Tanzania 0. I'm joined by Utamcho.
Shosho Tibo kunjani?
Angimnandi Tamcho.
Sharp umfithu. Igame Bafana. I mean be sharp because of ilona Bafana first half.
Yes.
Yeah, idlalile. I mean iphelele ku 65%.
Sharp.
Plus na 5 goal attempt yabo.
Yes.
But I was disappointed ukuthi bangabi nekhona kick ne-1.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a disappointment from Isaidin Lam.
Ngiyakubamba.
Yeah, other than that, abafethu siyabasupporta.
Sharp.
We don't have a beef naye coach analo Hugo Pros.
Awuna ibeef naye angibizanga mara Tamcho. Le player nyani di1 ukuthi abafethu nani ngiyanibona.
At least ile ku Kosafa bayabadlalisa party. So sizobona the next time ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani. Yebo bona sisakhala ukuthi akakethanga la kule sport.
Khala futhi.
Uyayibona?
Khala.
Sakhala ukuthi mfowethu Hugo Boss.
Khala.
Lokho sikwenze kona mfethu ayicela ukuthi uzame ukuthi ama player wathathe nawe Chiefs and then sikhona ukuthi nathi masibukele i-national team nathi sijabule ukuthi abantu abanjengabo Marte bakhona abo Pulomoti. Yeah. Amachita swabone yabo.
Iflop yakhe yini Khosi?
Asazi ukuthi iflop likuphi. I think kufuneka ukuthi avakashe lapha eNaturena mhlambe uzobhodla ukuthi what is the problem. We can't ukuthi siwine iNetbank and then akunamuntu yabo. Disappointment kakhulu. So namanje ngibukela ukuthi ngidlela umona yabo. Ibafana I mean South Africa la.
Sure.
Yeah.
Man of the match?
Man of the match lo mfana lo igama lakhe angilazi kahle lo udlala lapha na ku TX Galaxy emuva.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure ngegama lakhe udlala i-backline yena udlalile sharp.
Udlalile kamnandi.
Ngidlalile kamnandi. No really naye makengena na at least uye wayenza umzamo.
Yeah.
Yeah, kwaba sharp.
Ngiyathola.
Yeah.
Enye into Tamcho?
Hayi nengigrand.
Kumnandi.
Yasesizobona nje next season message enginayo nje ukuthi kumakhosi next season sizozilwela bafethu niyabona nani kuyasayinwa khona abahambayo nabangenayo. Yeah, so if lama player bathi bayawasayina kuyiwo vele ayingibona ukuthi kuzoba negame emnandi season ezayo.
Ngiyakubamba Tamcho.
Yeah, I think number 2 nyana lo sizophuma naye.
Number 2 next season?
Number 2 even a league singayithatha.
Next season Tamcho.
Noma kanjani Sithibo?
Chala no Tamcho.
Yeah.
Ngikhuthaza.
Sure Sithibo.
Danko.
Yabonga amakhosi. Danko.
Sure.